DIY sugar pregnancy test. In this video, we will talk about Have you heard about using sugar to detect pregnancy at home? Let's learn what it is, how it's done, and the real science behind it. What is the sugar pregnancy test? It is a simple, homemade method that supposedly detects pregnancy using just sugar and your urine. This test is based on the presence of hCG, the hormone produced during pregnancy. Benefits of the sugar pregnancy test. 1. Because this test only requires basic household items, it's incredibly inexpensive. 2. The test is easy and doesn't require any training. This ease of use makes it convenient for anyone curious about their pregnancy status. Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Continue watching. 3. Within just a few minutes, you can see if there's any clumping or reaction, giving you an almost immediate answer. 4. The sugar test doesn't use plastic or other materials commonly found in traditional tests, making it a more eco-friendly option. What you'll need: 1. A tablespoon of plain white sugar. 2. 2 clean bowls. 3. First urine sample of the morning. How to perform the test. 1. Place a tablespoon of fresh white sugar in one of the sterilized bowls. Make sure the sugar is free from impurities, as contaminated sugar could interfere with the results. 2. Collect your first urine of the day in a separate bowl. Early morning urine is often more concentrated, which is believed to increase the likelihood of detecting hCG if you're pregnant. 3. Carefully pour a small amount of the collected urine into the bowl with sugar. Then, allow it to sit undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes. What should happen? Positive test. If the sugar stays clumped or forms granules at the bottom of the bowl, this is considered a positive result, which could indicate pregnancy. Negative test. If the sugar dissolves quickly into the urine, this is seen as a negative result, which could suggest that you're not pregnant. The sugar test should only be seen as a preliminary indication. It's not a substitute for professional testing. Results should always be confirmed with a medical grade pregnancy test.